Hi, Anna Scheller here with Capri Temporary Housing with a few tips on how to stay organized in your new apartment. When you move into a new apartment, whether it is an apartment that you have booked yourself or a company has booked it for you, it's vastly important to stay organized so that, number one, you can find the things you're looking for, and number two, you can live in an uncluttered space and enjoy it. First, when you arrive in your apartment, you're probably tired from travel, but immediately start to organize your things. Hang up your clothes, put them in drawers, make sure your shoes are where you can find them every single time. Why is this important? Well, number one, if you stay organized, then the pattern that you set is the pattern you're going to keep throughout your stay in your new apartment. And second, there is a whole science to staying uncluttered and being able to find your things when you want to. I, for one, have been an unorganized person for much of my life. But as I've gotten older and busier, I have worked harder to get organized so that I don't have to go hunting for things, and it makes my days so much easier. And I hope it does for you too. Second, go out and buy those command strips. You know, the ones that you can pick up at Walmart or at Target or whatever the store is nearby. Why are those good for organizing? Well, number one, a lot of times clutter comes because we've left things on the floor or on the counters. Command strips are great because number one, they are okay to use in your apartment. They don't pull the paint off the wall and they stick quite nicely. So then you can get things off the counter, off the floor, into your closet, and you can feel better about a place to put something every single time that's not on the floor. I don't know about you, but if stuff's on the floor, it just kind of feels like I have less space and it's harder for me to relax. So by getting things off the floor, using command strips, which are safe to use in an apartment, you can start to feel better about the space that you're creating to make your own. Last, go ahead and buy some of those plastic drawers that can help you organize all those little things that your apartment may not have already for you. This is a great tool to help you compartmentalize the things that need to all stay together. Plus, when you're ready to go, then all you have to do is go to that one space and you can pull all of those things out that you've reserved for that location. Whether you're organizing a kitchen or a closet or a bathroom, these tips can help you to stay more organized and feel better if you're running out of floor space. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these tips have been very helpful for you. To get more content just like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the button so that you're notified when we put up more content just like this. Ciao!